Hi, I'm Mariah Hilbert with Horizon Group USA, leader in jewelry making, fashion apparel crafts, and kids crafts. I am proud to present the mixed media artist, Susan Lenart Kazmer, as she brings you more of her unique, one-of-a-kind, found object jewelry components from the industrial chic line, only available at Michael's stores. Join Susan as she demonstrates how to turn commonplace objects into heartfelt storied charms in jewelry.
Hi, I'm Susan Lenart Kazmer. I'm a designer of industrial chic line that's at Michael's. I showed in a couple of the clips, I showed a lot of pendants and necklaces. I also wanted you to know that there's a lot you can do with rings or earrings or bracelets and the charms. Actually, today I want to show what I'm doing with some of the ring blanks. This is a new addition with the ring blanks. So there's two ring blanks with the line. They're adjustable, so really anybody can wear them. You just can adjust them. They're really comfortable to wear. And these are some of the things that I've done with the rings right here. On this piece here, I want to start with showing this piece first. This piece actually, I used a little bit of paper in the background, and so I brought some along. I don't have the Mod Podge to show you, but I just take this piece and I rip a little piece off. And then usually what I do is I'll just put a little bit of ink on the sides, ink it just so I see a definition of the edges. And then I just use some Mod Podge and I'll attach it to a ring blank or a piece. If it's a stiffer piece like this, if I get it wet, I can actually get this attached and it'll marry right down into my metal. If I want to have something decorative in the background or words or anything like that. Okay, so with this piece today, what I'm going to do is using some of the charms that I have in the line, I'm just going to take some of the pieces, and this is just altering it. I don't have to keep my pieces as is. I can take this piece and just kind of snip off the end and just use part of it that I have. So with this ring, I use the watering can and this colorful charm here, and I'm just going to show you attaching this. This is just making a loop out of my piece, and then I just open it back up and it has the memory, the wire memory, and I'm just going to get this piece attached and close it back up again. When I'm in my studio, if I hit this with a hammer, I know that it gives it a lot more strength and it will never open again. It'll be work hardened, so if you do have a hammer and an anvil, just take it and hit it with the hammer and you have it work hardened. This is the jump ring again, and I'm just going to open this up end to end and just slip it right onto the loop that I have here. So with this piece, I can add as many charms as I want to on here, or I can keep it nice and simple. I can make it long. Many times what I like to do with my rings is I'll wear it on a necklace, so this can also be put onto a cord, and then I'll take it off and wear it as a piece of jewelry too if I want to. So that's the way I wear this ring. Let's take a look at the next piece. This is all of the new colorful head pins that I have with the line. Really fun colors, a nice copper color. And I just picked out a charm, the bird with the botanical. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take all these pieces and attach them one by one. I can string components or charms on here. And I'm just going to decide how long I want these to be, and just really start twisting and forming some pieces and looping them. When I loop them, I'm just going to loop them right onto one of the charms that I chose to work with. And again, it's going to be nice and secure if I just take my piece and bring it around and snip off the excess. I can make this as long as I want, as short as I want, full. This piece here I just did really full. I think this one I'll just take and cut down to start with and just do a different type of a wrap on it. Maybe keep it nice and closed in like a spring and bring the top down. Again, just attaching all the pieces to my charm, getting that wrapped around. Once I have this all done, I'm going to open up my jump ring. And again, I use 2 pliers to get this open. And I'm just going to string it right through the loop. Oops, get this closed up. And make sure that it is touching end to end, because that's actually going to make sure that your jump ring stays on there secure. So here it is. There's the ring, and you could fill it up or just put all different types of charms on there. I would use any of these. Some of these would be really nice too. So this just adds a lot of color to your work. So also with these, I just have some of the earrings that I brought in here. There's ear wires that come in the line that you can just attach in the same way with the jump rings. You can find the project book and all of the Industrial Chic line at Michael's.